Hey guys, so I was shocked by some Zanu PF people who are celebrating the fact that the Al Jazeera documentary didn't come out when they said it was going to come out, and some of them even came to my inbox saying, no, documentary Renew didn't come out, and I said, look, it's not my documentary to start with. And the second thing is, and most importantly, these people don't understand that the fact that the documentary was made in the first place should be more concerning for them. Because what it means is that they are infiltrated. Okay? They are infiltrated. There are people who are working in Zanu PF structures right now, right? Who are going out there to call them names, Dunderheads. And there are people who are collecting information right now as we speak. They are infiltrated. So for someone to come to my inbox and tell me that, oh, we are such a powerful, Zanu PF is powerful. You're not powerful because you are infiltrated. You've got journalists who are working undercover in your organization right now, and they're busy collecting information. It's not just Al Jazeera alone. There are more. They're there. The fact that you couldn't detect these Al Jazeera people coming in and taking information from your people means that you're clueless about who's in your organization. You should be worried. You shouldn't be celebrating. You should be worried. And secondly, the fact that there are people that you work with, there are people that you are giving resources enyika. You're giving resources to this, like this white person, this Ewan guy, and then they go out there and call you names like Dunderheads. You should be worried. You should be worried because millions worth of gold every week. That guy is even boasting. Because he's bringing out millions worth of gold every week out of the country. And then goes on to call you Dunderheads. Mazungairwa. You should be worried. And then when people then go there and come out there and say Zanu PF is a clueless party. But the people that you work with, the people that you're giving money are calling you fools. The people that are inside your organization, people that you have dinner with are calling you Dunderheads. You should be worried, guys. You should be concerned that there's someone who managed to get into Zanu PF and its structures and its whatever, and get information to get it out there. That's what should be concerning you. You should be worried because there are people within your organization that you think are your friends. All these Chinese people that you're busy giving our country to. They are going out there calling you Dunderheads. They're going out there calling you names. But you're giving them our gold. You're giving them our minerals, our diamonds, our lithium, our chrome, our everything. They're going out there, we're getting this gold from this Dunderheads. We've got zero idea what they're doing. They are there right now. This is just one example. This guy is just one guy, because he came out. But they are there right now. They are still there right now. Right now, as we speak, someone is calling you guys Dunderheads somewhere right now. You know what I'm saying? It's disgusting. You should be worried. You should be concerned that your organization is infiltrated. So when we come out here and tell you that you guys are clueless, we know what we're talking about. We know you're clueless. Your own people are telling you that. And this one is even worse, that you go about telling people that no sanctions, no, these white people are bad, they put sanctions on us, but you're giving our resources to a white person to take outside the country. So when we come out here and tell you a hypocrite, you are hypocrites because you are taking my resources enyika evana vatema. You're taking my resources in their country and you're giving them to some white guy to go and sell off in Dubai. So you're hypocrites. You should never come out here and tell us, Udanzi, oh, the West, oh, our white people, oh, this regime, oh, this what. No, you are hypocrites because all you people, all your kids, they live outside the country. You go and spend your money outside the country. But I'm trying all their kids are outside. Nobody lives in Zimbabwe. They don't learn in Zimbabwe. They learn in white people's land. And when you come to Zimbabwe, you go ahead to give those same white people our gold. Now you come out and tell us, hey, one day sovereignty. There's no sovereignty, guys. You're lying to these kids. You are lying. You are hypocrites, because this white guy is taking millions, 12 million, whatever, worth of gold every week outside the country. How much can we do with 12 million? If that 12 million was being circulated in our country, how much would we have gained as a country? So that's why we all say you're clueless, you're Dunderhead as well, just like your own person is saying. This guy even boasts that he controls 90% of the government. He controls all of you. Zanu PF is a white-run organization. It's being run by some white mafia. Someone who was arrested for selling gold at 20 years old is running 90% of the government. He's calling the shots. You should be worried. And all you people who support Zanu PF, who's busy, sanctions, sanctions, sanctions are rip sanctions are bad because they're giving the same people that they're saying sanctions, or they're giving them the gold every week. What you are saying, Bamberi, is you're saying Bamberi ne vet gold. That's what you're saying. Because that's what Zanu PF is doing. Yo, chitwa shena go manyiswa uchinoroyesa vanhu muchirwa vanhu muchinzi toy Zanu ropa rechi. Imagine vanhu vese vakava muhondo vakana vakazonzwa vane muvet ari kupuwa gold 12 million worth of gold achiendesa, and then calling them Dunderheads. How are they going to feel? How do you think they'll feel kwavakafa kwavari kunzwanzi nyika yamakarwira yamakafira yaya goridhe riya rakupiwa varungu every week 12 million worth of gold richibuda munyika? So when we talk about looting and corruption and whatever, you start saying we're lying. No, we're not. Because the very same person that you're doing this the stuff with, akataura ega pajekerere kuti these are fools, I'm taking their money. Chinese people are digging graves. Graves evanu. Ancestors are digging graves and taking gold and minerals and all other minerals and taking them back to China. That's why we say there's massive looting, institutional looting. It's a culture of looting and corruption that's killing our country. That's what this film is about. Unfortunately, we know what it's about. The fact that it hasn't come out doesn't bother us at all, because we know what it's about. And the fact that there's actually a white person in front telling us that these Dunderheads are giving me their country's resources is worrying for us. Because you probably, you probably are Dunderheads. But if Kwatiri Susuga, our country's resources are being taken away by someone, so you going ahead to celebrate with it means you're fools. Because you should be worried about the fact that it was made in the first place. And more are going to be made. Because they are there right now, inside right now. Right now, you don't even know whether they're wearing a secret camera or not. You don't even know. Then you come out here and tell us, Zanu PF is a powerful guy, whatever. You're not powerful for nothing. Because you get infiltrated nice and easy. And then people start calling you names out there. And Baba na mimeze munovodera Zanu PF dauti mungware musvinure andidika. Dauti musvinure andidika. Muri kuitiswa. Baba na mimi. Mese munovodera Zanu PF and I munovotera vanhu vanoziva zvavari kuita. I'm not out here to preach for Chamisa. I'm not out here to preach for anyone. But I'm saying, paunopinda ballot box, you take time to think. What do I want the future of my country to be? On a degree, but I was on a bank card, you. Wakaenda chikoro 14, 15, 16 years, 20 years. Uchienda chikoro chidzidza. But outside kana wambo ripa ma fruits. Echikoro chako chawakaenda. Munongotenderera murukesheni muchingotendera muchingochereswa tumakomba twepfumvudza 2023 mukuchereswa gomba repfumvudza in a world where there is artificial intelligence. Mukuchereswa makomba muchinzi chaipfumvudza kuchera gomba nebadza munzanzi mukuita agriculture. Ivo vachipa mavet gold 12 million worth of gold per week. 12 million euro, if they take it and give it to you guys, how much do you think it's going to help you? You need to go out there and think. And I'm going to register to vote. More register, wanda in your millions. I'm talking about which here. And when you vote for, take time to think about the person you're voting for. I've just given you a rough idea of what Zanu PF is like right now as we speak. In 2023 Gorema elections, they are giving 12 million worth of gold to some random white guy every week. And this is just one guy. There's probably 7, 8, 10, 50 more, including my China, who are taking minerals. So we're talking billions of minerals. Just, machingo piwa, imrupo wachi. What are you getting from that? You must wake up. Was that 12 million you could have built a factory? That you could have built a clinic or a hospital, could have built something. But you could have a vet. What's over when you with the Masanctions? Well, Garana Vejo, my minerals, over on the Madanda, which means the mason way or Rupamberio, or Dunderhead foot. But I know I think you dig a Muslim Dunderheads, but Murui Tisqua, my Dunderheads, my fools, my dimwits, my dingbats, my nicompoons, my morons. Why am I associating myself with my Dunderheads? What am I getting from that? You need to go and vote in the millions, young people. In the millions. That's the only way you're going to be able to dissociate yourself from this Dunderheads organization. In 2023, claiming with Magatora independence 43 years ago, Dunderheads. It's embarrassing. It's bordering on disgusting. You should be disgusted about what's happening. Shinurai mwende muno vota anakere senzi anana kiribet. Mzangoite shena mchimaitwa toy mbari mchingo pamberi nei uchidzokera pa daily babo unongoza ana plan. Kana mvura yakachena je kuti unu waita nyota yetoy hauna. Mvura yakachena yunwa. Kana utozotora shower yo after wabota toy kuti utore shower hapana. Wakutofamba 20 kilometers notsvaka mvura muchigubu kuti uone kugeza. Aba go dryender. That same week you go denga 12 million. 12 million next week. 12 million. 36 million. 48 million worth of gold in 1 month. No, one person. So and I'm no voter, and I'm no voter. I'm a leaders. I'm not that I'm a leaders. Do my leaders are chatting some pay, right? Siana now, Zanu PF is failed. You know, Zigan West. Even one, watch our gold, watch our understand now, or be a war good looter now, they know the Dunderheads. Sayoja Uramba is Zanu PF cheap. Swinurai, anakere senzi anana giribet. Swinurai, and they come progressive young people. Musane take no register voter. Now I'm talking to the enlightened ones. And there's a reason why we should vote in our millions, because that will reduce the chances Zanu PF you could riga. Because Avana Ungwara enough, you could riga my millions of votes. Avana Ungwara enough, we've already seen that. Avana Ungwara enough. Let's see what the voter unprecedented numbers. One riga say this time. And I'm going to vote. I'm voting for Musiana and my Dunderheads.